Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you one interesting thing. When we are making a drawing project, when we are making a project in the Revit, normally we have having some issues in the workset, setting up workset. Let's say I am working this one left socket. So if you go here, you will say the workset is a small power. But here you see it's the telephone and data. Sometimes you will have bunch of workset. 10, 20, 30. So searching is very difficult. So what is the fastest ways to set the work set? Very fast. Because if you not set the work set correctly, it will be a problem. Let's say one work set, this telephone and data work set is hidden. So let's say this is CS, I make CS. Then when I put it here, see it's not coming. Why? Because this work set is off here. So I need to set the work set here. So very fastest way you have to do install. For that one you have to install this Revit add-in. It's a free add-in. You can go and go here, release github.com, or you can, so you will go github.com. If it's difficult for you, just go to the Google, just type download Revit, or you can download Revit download. So if you click Revit download, this is the first one. You click here, and you can download this one and install. So when you install, after installation finish, there will be one message will come. Check always load. Okay. So the next, very easy. Just select, and you want to go to this worksite. Just go here in the Revit. Oh, just let me select this one. Little slow, my PC. So select the sockets, just go to the Revit and just set work set. That's all. It will change here automatically. See, small power. So here now you can create, because this work set is on CS. Now you can create, the socket is visible. And let's say there's another one. We will check with another one. This is the different work set. Click here. Just click and set workset. You don't have to check in the properties which workset it belongs to. So it's very easy. Just go here, set workset. It will change automatically to the workset which is belongs this DB. You will see here. If your project is very big, it will take little time. So it's changed already to the panel. See this one changing. So I hope you enjoy my video and you got advantage from video. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe. We will meet inshallah in next video with many knowledge. Until then, take care. Bye.